Included with the car are going to be the tools here for the suspension adjustment. You have an Allen key, which is going to go basically right here in the top of the shocks to be able to adjust the dampening rate of the actual pistons and the shafts in the shock itself. The suspension again is KW variant 3, which is the most, I guess, radical and fully adjustable suspension that you can find for this car. Rides very well on the street. I have it set. It is a little bit stiff for the street, so you may notice a little bit of steering wheel jarring, etc., just because it is stiff. You can adjust it. It's fully adjustable here. Also, there's a little key that's in the baggie for underneath of the suspension itself, and that's going to be to adjust the bump rate, the rebound rate of the actual suspension. Again, for that, I'll go ahead and I'll download the PDF file for you and print it up. That way you can have a copy of it with the car so you know exactly how to operate it if and when you ever decide to adjust or play with the suspension. These are the Allen wrench keys for the front and the rear for the coilovers for when you're adjusting the ride height. Right now the car is set fairly decently. I drive it on the street like this, not a problem. I mean, you have a good ground clearance on the front. You could probably fit a ramp underneath it if you want to drive it up to make it a little bit easier to ever jack the car up. But it is actually fully ride height adjustable. You can get the car you can get the body of the car actually probably a good another inch or so up from this point, and you can drop it about another 1.5 inches lower if you ever wanted to.